Actually, question number 8, all three parts are very important and they're all different from each other. Okay. Look at this A part quickly. This ln x cube can be written as 3 ln x. Then you have ln x equal to 5. This gives you 4 ln x equal to 5. So this ln x is going to be 5 by 4. And then this x is going to be e raised to power 5 over 4. You can use the calculator at this level. Okay? Look at the b part now. The b part says e raised to power 3x plus 4. And then there is 2 e raised to power x minus 1. Okay? There are two ways of doing this. I'll just do it with a simpler one. Okay? This is e raised to power 3x plus 4. You apply ln to both the sides. This is ln 2 e raised to power x minus 1. Okay. Now be very careful with this right hand side. Now this would become 3x plus 4 ln e. Yes, we know this. Anna. And here, if you remember that product rule that if there is ln a plus ln b, so that means you can write it as ln ab. So if you have ln ab, then you must be able to write its reverse. Okay, this is ln a minus ln b. So similarly, this has to be written as ln 2 plus ln e raised to power x minus 1. Okay, so this ln e is 1, so we are left with 3x plus 4 on the left hand side. Let it be ln 2. This would become x minus 1 ln e, and ln e again know that is 1. Okay, this is going to be 3x plus 4, that is ln 2 plus x minus 1. Let us simplify this. Okay, now this becomes, I'll be writing this as 3x. I'll bring this x to this side minus x, and I'll move this 4 to the other side. So we have ln 2 minus 1 minus 4, that is ln 2 minus 5. So you have 2x that is equal to ln 2 minus 5. And then your x is half into ln 2 minus 5. So what is this?
Minus 2.15.
Minus 2 point, like someone has used the calculator and told me that is. So I hope this is the correct answer, but nevertheless, this is the exact value, half into ln 2 minus 5. That is how you will be doing this p part. Okay, now the c part is a very important part, like you will be seeing many such questions in your past papers. Okay, let me cover all of this. Okay, the c part. In the C part, you have ln x plus 5 minus ln x, that is equal to 3. Please remember this, never forget it, that ln a plus b can never be written as ln a plus ln b. You should never think about doing this thing, okay? So this is ln x plus 5 minus ln x. So you can apply the quotient rule over here. You can write it as ln x plus 5 over x. And you can write the ln e with this because ln e is 1. And then you shift this to its exponent. So this is going to be ln e cube. So both the sides of ln. So I can write it as x plus 5 over x, that is equal to e cube. So there is some algebraic manipulation here, x e cube. So we have x e cube minus x equal to 5. I take x common. Try not to use calculator during your working, okay? So while you're working, so try to use this just once at the very end. This 5 over e cube minus 1. So that should give you
0.262.
so this is correct to three significant figures is 2.262. Okay, so you were asking for these three parts of the question number 8, and let me show this to the viewers that this is basically the exercise 6.7 from this additional maths book. Okay, you can see this book we're using here. Okay, and thank you very much.